In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up the booking button in the Castello theme. Castello comes with a built-in call to action button that appears in the bottom left or in the bottom right corner, depending on the layout of the current page. This button can do one of two things. First, it can act as a standard link and open an internal or an external page. You can use the button to link to your reservations page, to a contact page, or an external booking engine page. And second, it can open or close a special slide-out panel with some custom content in it. To get started, go to the Customize page and open the Theme Settings panel and then the Call to Action panel. You can enable or disable the button, change the button text, and set the URL for the button. If you are linking to an external website, you can make the link open the page in a new browser tab. If you check the Display Slide-Out Content checkbox, this button will not link to anything. Instead, it will toggle on and off a special slide-out panel. To add some content to that panel, go to the Widgets page in the Appearance section. Find the Slide-Out Content section. As you can see, I have here two simple text widgets and a social icons widget. You can use this area to add anything that you want: a booking form, contact information, a map with directions, or even some custom code provided by your booking engine software provider. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.